Greetings and welcome to a Bead Haul for Odin's Bead Haul that I'm very excited about. Oh my god. So, the awesome people over at backtobead.com just got a new release of something that I have been waiting for the longest time, and they finally got released. Now, Back to Bead is known for their very archaic finishes, stuff that looks like very old and metalized finishes, very rustic looking. So if you're into like the steampunk aesthetic or anything, they've got a lot of finishes that are really, really cool. This package contains etched spikes. And I'm very excited, and I have not opened it yet. I just got it in the mail like an hour ago, and I can't wait much longer. So I'm going to tear into this. So let's see what we've got. I also got gem duos in old copper, because these looked really gorgeous and pretty. So that's a 25-gram pack. Well, I gotta poke them about that, but let us see the etched spikes. Oh, they're so pretty. Oh my god. So, let's see. So let's start with the metallic finishes. They've got two different versions of their metallic finishes. So they have the regular metallic finishes and the metallic AB. So like half of one side is in AB. So this is old copper, which matches all of their old copper finishes. Oh man, they look so pretty. Let me see if I can show you some more detail on. There we go. Oh, these are so freaking pretty. So I got two packages of the regular old copper. They come 12 to a pack, and they are, let's see, a little bit more on the expensive side because there's basically two finishes on top of them. You've got the specialized colors, and then the etch finish. And then with the AB, I think this was $2.50 for a pack of 12, and then the AB here is $3.30 because it's got the extra AB finish on that. So it's still pretty reasonable for what you get, especially with a lot of other companies in the States. So we've got the AB on here, which looks really cool. It's got a bright flash of gold and green and blue, so that is really pretty. So I got one package of that. And then the second one is matte oro. I just got this one regular. I didn't get the AB on that one. Not sure why. Probably just because I didn't. But it's very nice. It kind of reminds me of the Aztec gold. It's more of a soft yellow. And it just looks so cool with that etch finish. It looks very rugged and acid burned. And it's just... I cannot wait to use these at all. So I got two packages of those, and then I got two packages of Silver Surfer AB, because I thought since the AB was such a cool tone color, it would look really good with the silvery. And that, ooh, man, that finish is just, it's very subtle too, but it just adds a nice little pop, and I really, really, really like that. I'm excited. And these ones I am very excited about. These are the magic finished spikes. I ordered orchid, goblin, and purple. Let's see, which one is orchid? I'm guessing this is orchid. Okay, yeah. So, orchid is basically purples and greens, and oh my god, they're so shiny. Look at that. Oh, and I love how the etch just kind of reflects all the colors in there. Oh, so pretty. Oh, I can't get over it. And then magic purple, which is a purple based. And this one is the magic purple, which has a little bit of greens, but it's got more pinks and purples in it. He has one more color, which is the magic blues, but I think I forgot to grab it, which is my mistake on my part. Oh well. But yes, this is so pretty. Like, and the last one is Magic Goblin, which is like golds and greens with a little hint of red. I just can't even. These are so pretty. I can't. Like, this is just so cool. I always imagined them to be really neat, but, like, seeing them in person is just... man, I cannot wait to use these. So that was my order from Back to Bead. On another small, I'm just gonna add this on just because I was at Michael's the other day and I bought some things. I just got 2 extra packets of these Swarovski drops because I could always use drops and it was like $1.77 for a pack of 5. Which is a really great deal, so I've got 2 of those. Drops are nice. And then I got these rhinestones. I don't usually use rhinestones, but a friend of mine is making a vest for me, and the buttons that they used have a little divot for gemstones, so I'm kind of hoping one of these will fit, because again, I paid really, really stupid cheap prices for it. So, that is it for this bead haul. I will leave links down below as to where you can get these. They're at backtobead.com. Holy crap, they are gorgeous in person. Like, they only show a little bit in camera. In person, they are so much more magical. And, whoa. So, links down below. And I think that will do it for me. Be sure to like up this video and subscribe if you want to see more bullshit from me. Check out my other beading tutorials right here on YouTube. I also just released August's video on Patreon, so if you are supporting me on the Muser level on Patreon, you will be able to make this fantastical bracelet I have dubbed the Artificer's Spine using 2-hole triangles and cabochon beads. So, links will be down below. And, of course, check out my SciFi if you're into that bits. All pertinent links will be down below. Thank y'all so much for joining me, and of course, if there's anything I need to be trying out right now, feel free to let me know down below, and I will see you next time.